Welcome back to Asa Camps. Today we have another great opportunity for you to get to know what is going on with the auto industry, guys. And today we have 4 news from the auto industry, 3 from Toyota, and 1 from nothing else but Tesla. Because Elon Musk has been teasing us for the longest time with a vehicle that can cost less than $25,000 and is the vehicle that he's offering to the masses. King Elon Musk, guys, this guy has been telling us forever that he's gonna bring the actual affordable Tesla. The Model 3 was the actual hopes, but the $25,000 Tesla with the good battery should be the vehicle for the masses. And here is the very first rendering straight from the people from Inside EVs and the Asa Camps is bringing it to you. You know, I have to bring it to you because that's why you come here, to see my commentary and to get entertained by the way I show the news from the auto industry. But before that, I would like you to subscribe at Asa Camps. Check me on Facebook, look up for me and Instagram. Like this video and become part of the community of Asa Camps. And do not forget to leave your comments down below and share this video with your favorite social media. Guys, Tesla, finally, Elon Musk finally is saying that Tesla is coming with a $20,000, $25,000, more than likely is coming in the $30,000 Tesla. Maybe they name it the Model 2. Who knows? We are just speculating one more time because that's what we do best in the internet. And Tesla is nothing but the latest and the best automaker right now. And they don't call themselves automakers. They call themselves technology company. But Elon Musk is saying that more than likely this particular Tesla is going to come as a hatchback. And here are some renderings. It looks very much like the Seat or the old Mazda 3 with the rims and the cuts on the back. I don't know. Very more like a Seat, very more like a Skoda. I know Elon Musk has a couple of factories here in Europe, one in China and one in Germany. And now they're looking to make this particular EV that should be below $25,000. But guys, again, think about it. We have been waiting for a Model 3 that it was supposed to be the model Tesla model that it will go for the masses, and it's not the case because it's way above the mid-30s to $40,000. So that's not for the masses. That's for the actual white-collar workers. And also, it's not that great looking. But this one looks great. Well, hear me out. Not that it's not that great looking. It's just, it looks the same as the Model Y and it looks the same as the Model S. And that's basically what Tesla has been doing the best, to just do like a corporate design for all their vehicles. But now Elon says that he's planning to create this one as a hatchback. And then the SUVs are not made for everybody. And a lot of people around Europe here, they like their hatchbacks. And more than likely, if this is the truth, we will see this as Model 2. Maybe, we don't know. But it should be an exciting product coming from Tesla. And you know, guys, when Elon Musk says he's coming with something good. And this one, they said that it's going to offer up to 300 miles range on their charge because they're going to have the LFP batteries. That is insinuated that the Tesla battery are going to improve a lot. So, would you buy a Tesla on $25,000? Absolutely. If it gives me 300 miles per charge, yes, sir. Welcome. Welcome, Tesla. I don't know about the design, but we have to wait because that's what we can get from Tesla right now. In other news, we got the Tundra, and the Tundra has been spoken and talked about for the longest time. Right now, Toyota is saying that they're going to come up with a world beater. They are claiming that they can create a truck that can beat the F-150, and those are major words and major statements. F-150 has been the king of the hill forever on the full-size pickup truck department. And Toyota is a really good product, but F-150 is the bread and butter of Ford, and that's how it's going to be for the longest time. Toyota has to come up with a product that has to be attractive and affordable in that category in order to beat Ford. Ford sells hundreds of thousands of F-150s a year. I think very close to the 500,000 or above 500,000 F-150s a year. Then we got the second best selling pickup truck, which is the Ram, and then we have the Silverados. So does Toyota has what it takes to take down the F-150, Ram, and Silverados? We will see. Toyota sells around, I don't know, I think that they're around 50,000 units to 70,000 units a year, where basically F-150 is 150,000 units per month. I don't know. They said that Toyota is coming with a V6 dual turbo engine, and that's basically all they're saying right now. And the size and everything looks like it's going to come up with a good product. But I'm just going to leave it there. Toyota also is trying to revamp the looks of the Camry, because the Camry is the actual bread and butter from Toyota. And they're coming with this new design, or the Modellista, which is a Lexus-ish taste or touch on the Toyota and the Toyota Camry. This makes the Camry look more aggressive, more exclusive, more exquisite, and more Lexus-ish. It looks very much like the ES Lexus, and nothing wrong with that. I would like to have a Camry that looks sporty and aggressive and also looks luxurious. But on top of that, the Modellista design has been in the Toyota lineup for the longest time. We saw it for the first time in the United States on the Prius, third generation, and it sold well, but not that well. People were not recognizing the Modellista design, but now let's see if with the Camry, Toyota started making a statement with that Modellista option for the US market. So, and at the end of this Ken's video tonight, we got the news from Toyota that more than likely they're going to bring this beauty right here, the Corolla GR, but the wagon version, because they're coming with the GR hatchback, which is more than likely going to be named the Toyota Corolla GRMN, or the Toyota Corolla with the option of a turbo engine, the 3-cylinder 1.6 with 256 horsepower that has been used or currently used in the Yaris GR in Europe. And now Toyota has been flashing some of the accessories that they're going to be selling for the Corolla GR or the GRMN for the United States, and some of the accessories are too long for the hatchback. So these people right here from Spider 7 have been saying that they have been looking and paying attention on the inventory that Toyota is putting out there for the Corolla GR and the GRMN, and they have noticed that some of the accessories are going to be too big for the hatchback edition. And if that's true, more than likely we will have a Corolla that looks more like this, which is very convenient. I love that design better than the hatchback. Don't get me wrong, the hatchback looks really amazing and it looks very, very good. But this one, to me, it fits my needs. I own a Prius right now, which is, for some of you guys or viewers, is kind of embarrassing that a car commentator and a car enthusiast on the internet owns a Prius. No, I use a Prius because it's what fits my needs right now. I have had a Mitsubishi Evos. I have had the Infiniti G35. I have had FJ Cruises. I have had multiple cars. One day I'm going to make a video of all the vehicles that I have or I have owned before. And that doesn't make me proud because it was based on mistake after mistake after mistake. But right now, what fits the bill is the Prius and the Scion IQ. I do have a Scion IQ. I'm in Italy. In Italy, you need efficient and small vehicles. You don't need the Ferraris. The Ferraris is for rich people. I'm not a rich person. But anyways, so I'll leave you guys with this in Asa Camps and the question of the day. Today, we don't have the sound. we are revamping the sounds at Asa Camps. But the question of the day is If you have the opportunity to have a Toyota Corolla, would you rather have the GRMN hatchback or the touring edition like this one right here? This one looks pretty. I will leave you guys with that, and I will see you guys soon.